Morning, everyone. It is such a privilege to welcome you all here to this naturalization ceremony today on behalf of the Fairfax County government, Fairfax County Public Libraries, the Pohick Library, and the Friends of the Pohick Library. Thank you very much for being here. Congratulations on becoming naturalized citizens of the United States of America. Your hard work, study, and patience is about to become realized. We look forward to your continuing and deepening contributions to this great country. We are grateful for the many people who have supported you on this journey, family, friends, colleagues, and staff in many government and other organizations who have also worked to help many of you achieve this important milestone. I hope that you will take advantage of the services that Fairfax County Public Library, Fairfax County government, Virginia, and the federal government can offer you. It is our mission to help you to the best of our abilities, and I, for one, look forward to serving you in the Fairfax County Public Library. I'd like to take a moment to thank and recognize elected and appointed officials or their staff who have come here today to celebrate you. We have Suzanne Levy, the chair of the Fairfax County Library Board of Trustees, and Phil Rosenthal, the Springfield Library trustee. And we have Arnie Goldstein, the president of the Friends of the Library, and several Friends of the Library board members from the Pohick Friends. If there's any official I have missed, my apologies. There were several that were scheduled to be here, but the funeral of Representative Jerry Conley called them and is scheduled at the same time. But they did plan to be here, so we thank them for that. Finally, thank you, Juan Wood and the United States Citizen and Immigration Service for allowing us to host today's event. It's a real privilege. And to community activist Corazon Foley, who conceived of us doing this here and was a co-sponsor of today's event. Thank you, Corazon. Sherry Henry, the manager of the Pohick Library, and her staff, and the Friends of the Pohick Library who are funding today's reception. So we thank you for that. Now please welcome Mr. Juan Wood for opening remarks.
All right. Are we excited? Yes. I'm excited. This is a special moment. This is the best part of my job right here, coming in doing a naturalization ceremony, especially when I'm administering the oath of allegiance to the special brand new U.S. citizens. So my name is Juan Wood. I'm a section chief at the Washington Field Office, Citizenship and Immigration Services. It is my pleasure to welcome you, your family, friends, and guests to today's special naturalization ceremony at the Pohick Regional Library to celebrate your United States citizenship. I congratulate each of you on reaching this important milestone. Your hard work and determination have led you here, and I am pleased to be the one to administer the oath of allegiance so that you can become today's new U.S. citizens. Your spirit and dedication will uphold America's tradition of providing hope and opportunity for generations of immigrants to come. I hope these days inspire you to take full advantage of your citizenship and the rights and responsibilities that come along with it. To officially begin this ceremony, please stand with your hand and your heart for the Fairfax County Fire Department Honor Guard and the singing of the national anthem by Eric Curtin, director of Fairfax County Public Library. Honor Guard. Halt. Present arms.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave and the home of the brave. Right, step.
Please be seated. Who got goosebumps? I tell you, every time they sing the national anthem, I get goosebumps. This is such a melody. Great job, sir. It was awesome. It's the first time I have somebody play the guitar and sing the national anthem at one of the ceremonies. And this is, Mr. Carson did an excellent job. This time, I would like to invite Ms. Allure James. She's a Senior Immigrant Services Officer at the Washington Field Office to call the countries and present the candidates for naturalization.
Thank you, Mr. Woods. Candidates, this is the moment that you have been waiting for. When you hear your country of nationality call, please stand and remain standing. Burma, Burma, Canada, Canada, China, India, Malaysia, Mongolia, Nepal, Philippines, South Korea, Thailand, Uzbekistan, and Vietnam. Is everyone standing? Yes. Mr. Wood, I present to you 25 candidates representing 12 countries who have applied to become citizens of the United States. Each of the candidates has been interviewed by an officer of the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, and unless exempt by law, has demonstrated the ability to read, write, and speak words in the English language. Each has demonstrated his or her knowledge and understanding of the history and the principles and form of the government of the United States. Mr. Wood, I recommend that these candidates be administered the oath of allegiance, thereby admitting them to United States citizenship. Mr. Wood.
Thank you, Ms. James. Candidates for naturalization, according to INA 337, this is the very last step of you becoming a United States citizen. So we're going to repeat the oath after me. You have a little sheet with the oath if you want to follow it. Is that sheet, can you raise it up so everybody can see it? It's a little white piece of paper with blue letters on both sides. One side, the oath of allegiance, the other one have the Pledge of Allegiance and the Star-Spangled Banner. Today, we're going to use the oath of allegiance, and then we're going to switch to the Pledge of Allegiance. So at this time, you can go ahead and follow the oath of allegiance. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I hereby declare on oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, estate or sovereignty, of whom or which I have hereto forbeen a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, and that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, and that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by the law, and that I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by the law, and that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by the law, and that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Woo! Congratulations. You are America's new citizens. Another round of applause. Now that you have taken the oath of allegiance, I would like everyone to stand up, and you remain standing, for the Pledge of Allegiance. Unlike the oath of allegiance, when we say the Pledge of Allegiance, we say it in unison. Instead of repeating after me, we're all going to say it together. I know that we have a lot of Speedy Gonzalez, a lot of people fast over there, so slow it down so we can all say it together. All right? So we place our hand over our heart. We face the U.S. flag because we love this country, and we say the Pledge of Allegiance together. And the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may have a seat. All right. It's exciting. Brand new U.S. citizen. Wow. 25, how many countries? 12 different countries. 12 different countries we represent. Only 25 people, 12 different countries. So somebody to your left or your right is from different country. All right. So our keynote speaker, Jeffrey McCade, could not make it today, but I would like to invite Sherry Henry, she is the director of Pohick Library, to read Mr. McCade's comments.
Good morning, everyone. Excuse me. Thank you so much for the honor of speaking here today. I know Chairman McKay was very honored and sorry that he could not be here with you. First, to the 25 new citizens here, congratulations. What an incredible moment this is in your lives, not only for you, but for all of us here and for the community at large. I want to acknowledge the tremendous effort it takes and has taken you to become a citizen, the paperwork, the interviews, the studying, and the uncertainty as you move through the process. So you made it. Yay. That achievement speaks so much. It speaks volumes about your determination and your belief in this country. In Fairfax County, we're proud of our immigrant families. Over 30% of the population in Fairfax County are immigrants. We are a minority-majority county, meaning that according to the census, those identifying as white alone with no Latino or other heritage is just under 50%. 39.2% of the county residents speak language other than English at home. And for Fairfax County Public Schools, it's 48.4% of students speak a language other than English at home. So in Fairfax County, we've adopted an initiative called One Fairfax to intentionally make decisions under an equity lens, to promote procedures and policies that are forward-thinking, and to recognize that our diversity is our strength. So I encourage you to take full advantage of everything that's here in Fairfax County and the communities all around you. Our libraries, our world-class public schools, and our many other public services. It's unending wealth of things that you can be involved in. Also, I invite you to help shape what's next. You can volunteer, vote, and maybe even run for office. You can mentor others and share your stories. Your stories are powerful. So no matter where you were born, today you are no less an American citizen than anyone else. You've earned your place. So welcome, citizens. We're so glad you're here.
Thank you, Director Henry, for stepping in for Chairman McKay and reading those inspiring words. At this time, I would like to invite Ms. James to return to the podium to call the names, and we'll present to you the certificate graduation style. We're kind of tight over here, so the way we're going to do it is we're going to step here to the left, we're going to push the chair to the left. She's going to read the names, and she's going to pass it to me, and then you can come, grab the certificate to me, and then just turn around and have a seat, and we'll come back one at a time, all right? Because we cannot do a graduation style because of the tight space. So that's how we do it. And then we'll do it one row at a time. So the first row will stand up, will come up. After that, the second row and the third row. I would like to invite the principals to form the receiving line right here to my left, so we can go ahead and shake your hands, and congratulations for receiving your certificates today. I just like to say up front, I apologize if we mispronounce your name. We got some names out there that were really tough, and she's got a tough job to pronounce those names. But keep in mind, if it sounds like your name, it's probably different.
Coran Fong Wen,
Congratulations.
Anrak Okul,
Congratulations, sir.
Hui Wen,
Congratulations.
Bedam Seksek Kotin Sering,
Congratulations.
Ejen Chi, Joey, Moore Kim,
Congratulations.
Ben Haken Kim,
Congratulations.
Xiao Saya,
Congratulations.
Sung Pong K Tar Ru E, Bidaya Batare,
Congratulations.
Amandeep Kar Flora,
Congratulations.
Bazulu,
Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Ming Hee Sung, Sun, Sorry. Kiki Zen. Sunathan Saran Vasan. Sean Andre Carril. Shireen Lorna Betty Sharay Freedom. Donnie Year Yusupuf.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Young Huyang Lim.
Congratulations.
Young Hee Bak.
Congratulations.
Chung Bay Park.
Congratulations.
Marcel Castel Tiganchi. Ross Yukon Kleber. Edwin Naples Pasquale.
Congratulations.
Bettina Alexandria. Pagan Liban.
Congratulations.
That's it.
Everybody got a certificate? All right. Remember what Ms. Jane said at the beginning? You have to do three things real quick. Check, check, check. Check your certificates. It's very important because if you don't check it today and you check it later on when you're going to apply for your passport, it's going to be very costly. It's going to cost you to pay for a new form called M565, and the fee for that form is $555. So if you find any mistakes now, we'll take it. USCIS is running a sale, you pay zero. So please check your certificates, it's very important. All right, I want to thank all of you for joining us this morning to celebrate your citizenship. We appreciate the Pohick Regional Library for hosting this ceremony today. I want to also thank Director Carson, Director Henry, and Fairfax County Board members for participating in your celebration today. Above all, I want to thank our new citizens for choosing United States citizenship. My fellow Americans, please do not leave today before registering to vote. We have volunteers that will collect the forms today and help you get registered. Before we depart today, can I get one final round of applause for today's new citizens?